Hi, I'm Trevor with Quick Attach, and this is the all-new Brush Buster Max. We build and manufacture this giant in Minnesota. It's the big daddy in our fleet of brush mowers. This cuts a massive 84-inch swath. 2 spindles keep the length of the deck shorter compared to a single spindle design. These shorter dual-edged cutting blades flex less and cut more efficiently. The gearboxes are offset, so it overlaps in the middle. There's a slip clutch between the gearboxes to isolate them from each other in case of a large impact. And if an unexpected impact occurs, you can rest easy, because this mower here is equipped with the pressure relief valve. It eliminates shear pins, meaning no downtime. The muscle behind this mower is a large, robust 6000 series Eaton hydraulic motor. It can operate in both forwards and reverse. The floating deck adjusts automatically up, down, right, left, making it easy to operate for all skill levels. It also eliminates constant feathering of the loader arm controls, unlike fixed deck mowers. There isn't another build on the market that's as colossal as our float and tilt system. Not all skid steer loader arms roll back the same. Our adjustable stability bar adapts when on left and right angles. You can also raise the front deck with a few simple turns. This enormous mower delivers a smooth ride thanks to the 5-inch in diameter roller. Not only does it provide a constant contact point with the ground, but it also takes the weight off the loader arms. Good luck carrying a beast like this in a fixed deck mower. The skid rails allow the mower to glide across the ground. This one has the optional wheel kit installed. The rubber shielded front guard is provided for added safety. If you own a larger track loader or skid steer with no less than 27 gallons per minute, this mower may be right for you. With warranty and service long after the sale. Call one of our specialists today. You'll be glad you did.